Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Academy of Indian Marketing and Seth Foundation research grants. They have been provided to the marketing scholars in this particular discipline so that they can conduct the scholarly research and publish their work into the global journals. So in 2018 we started this initiative and we had three tracks: consumer behavior, marketing analytics, and managerial marketing. And we normally take the track chairs from the global scenario and Indian leading professors who have well established their research portfolio in terms of publications and guidance, and basis that expertise and experience, they are able to provide the constructive feedback to all the proposals that are submitted at the AIM Seth research grants. And this particular initiatives have helped a lot of people in terms of their getting the software, in terms of doing the field work wherever you get stuck and you want to do a particular research which requires money. Then in that case this particular grant is actually going to help you. We had a lot of winners, and in each track we normally provide grants to two winners, and each winner gets around 1 lakh, and basis their requirements of the research, they do their particular field work or do the analysis or hire somebody to do the research. And in 2019 also we conducted the similar grants process, which has helped a lot of scholars within India. The eligibility criteria for this particular grant is that you need to be an Indian scholar, Indian professor, or affiliated to the Indian organization. But you can co-author that particular research grant for with anybody in the world, which will help you to enhance the quality of your research. In 2020 also we are coming up with the grants, and the call for the proposals are already out. You can apply for this particular grant because the grant submission date we have extended by a month, so that will help you to frame the research proposal pretty well. And then basis the competitive scores that the researchers get, they normally get selected. In each track we select two research grant proposals, and it's quite competitive because a lot of people apply for the grants. This year in 2020, the basic theme of the particular grant is marketing for the better world. As we all have seen that marketing has a key important role to play in shaping up the society, in shaping up the environment. So this year, if you, I'm sure you have a lot of research ideas around it that will help you to provide those, you can have the ideas around those areas. And the similar tracks are there which I have mentioned earlier: consumer behavior, managerial marketing, and marketing analytics. And we have different type of co-track chairs who are going to help you with the feedback. And then if you get selected, you can also get the grant from AIM Seth Foundation. Thank you.